Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Toy and on this channel we are simply cooking. So today we're just going to be making some dry rub. So I'm going to prepare it because on my next video I'm going to be making some Western style ribs. So I hope you tune on to that video. And so I'm just going to be showing you what I'm going to be doing. So we're going to be using some sugar in that container. White sugar. This is some dark brown sugar. We got some garlic powder. I'm going to be using some onion powder. Some paprika. Some red pepper. Or if you got cayenne pepper. Some black pepper. Some meat tenderizer, but it's unseasoned. And I got some Lorry seasoning salt. So we're just going to mix all this together, and it's very simple to do. Anybody can do this. So I'm going to do 2 cups of packed sugar. So when I say packed sugar, you want to pack it into your measuring cup. Ooh. Some people use light sugar. This is just the basics of how you want to use yours. Make yours. So we got 2 cups of sugar, of dark brown sugar. If you want to use light sugar, feel free to use white sugar. Light sugar. So I've got some white sugar here. One cup of the white sugar. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon of some garlic powder. We got some onion powder. I'm just going to use it right in there. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then we got some cayenne. Well, they say cayenne, red pepper, it's all the same. I got 1 teaspoon of the red pepper. Call it cayenne pepper, red pepper. We're going to go ahead and use 1 teaspoon of paprika. Well, I'm going to do 2 teaspoons. We got some meat tenderizer. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of that meat tenderizer. 1 tablespoon of that. It's unseasoned. And I got some seasoning salt. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of that. Oh, I forgot I missed the stash. So I got some Mrs. Dash. And I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of Mrs. Dash. That's no salt. And we're just going to mix it all together. Just mixing it all together. Make sure it's all mixed in. I got my little freezer bag, so I'm just gonna put, you can use this on chicken rub, on chicken, you can use it on ribs, you can use it on any type of meat that you want to use it on. And you want to put it, I just put mine in the freezer bag where I can save it for later. Just open that up. See how easy that was? So whenever you want to do ribs, you want to put some chicken, put that in the oven, put your ribs on the grill. You want to put this on there, and I will show you that in my next video. So that's all prepped and done. Zip it up. It's all ready to go. So I'm just going to put this in my pantry for it to be all ready to go for when I do my ribs. So that is pretty much it. How easy was that? Alright, well thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later. Bye.